Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Cameron here, and today I am going to share with you how to achieve 4,000 watch hours in 12 months time, or even less than that if you're lucky, so you can get monetized and get your gaming content um, making some extra money. So we're going to dive into all that now. Stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing you guys 5 tips that are going to be guaranteed to help you build your YouTube career and get you on the path to getting monetized. So the first thing I just want to share with you guys is the fact that I got 459 watch hours in just the past month alone. You'll see an exponential increase here. This is where I had a pretty big breakthrough. I'm going to go all of that over with the first tip, which is relevancy. Relevancy is key. So the reason why I was able to get such a high viewed video very quickly, which got me over, looks like 243 watch hours in just one day, was relevancy. When games update, when new things come out, if you can get content on that is quality as soon as possible, you're going to hedge your bets in getting a ton of watch time very quickly and having a video blow up. So I uploaded a video on Wolverine. There was a update 14.220 that came out on Fortnite. I was able to get some content that people enjoyed pretty well, pretty thoroughly. You see the watch time here is over 300 hours so far, and the average view duration is like 2 minutes and 49 seconds. So it's definitely not bad. Basically, uploading content right when updates come out or near trending topics that are very relevant to today is going to help you get views and therefore get a ton of watch time if your quality is there. So you don't want to have, a huge dip right at the start. Otherwise, maybe you need to change up your intro. There's some things that maybe I could have said or done in the beginning there to keep more people interested and try to maintain those viewers that were coming in and watching the content. So make sure to upload content that's very relevant. So tip number 2 kind of ties into a little bit what I was talking about relevancy, but it is trimming the fat from your videos. Now, the reason you want to trim the fat on your videos, and what I mean by that, is videos that have huge drop-off rates, or just portions where people stop watching in high quantity, is going to hurt your watch time. It's also going to hurt your click-through rate. If you're not having people click through your videos enough, YouTube's not going to be recommending your video as much, and therefore it's going to be lowered in the prioritization in YouTube search results. YouTube's very smart about knowing when people are enjoying content versus not enjoying content. It's not just tied around your view count. So make sure that after your first 5 to 10 videos, take a look at your analytics, see when your drop-off rates are, and then at that point adjust accordingly. Like this one's kind of interesting. I have a huge drop-off here, so I definitely should have done something different in my intro, but people pick up right here, right where I start going over tips and tricks to surviving this location. This is where the meat of the video is right here, where I'm giving all the information. So people picked up on that, and they're watching that part prioritied. I still get about 38.5% retention for my video. That means more than half of the people are watching 38.5% of my video, which is decent, right? That's not too terrible. But again, there's a huge improvement I could have had in the intro. So trimming whatever I did in this intro, if I started it off like that, like this right here, and then just made that maybe a bit longer, I could have filled this gap. And I wouldn't have lost so many potential viewers that could have given me even more watch time. Still got about 53 hours. Like I said, I kind of made it up in the second part, so that's why this one isn't so bad. But this was, again, very relevant around a topic. This is right when the Stark Industries POI came out in one of the updates. So definitely keep those things in mind. Trim whatever parts of your videos people aren't watching and make more stuff of what people are watching. Tip number 3 is upload frequently and consistently. So upload as much as you can when you can. This is going to, one, put more videos in your portfolio, more content for people to watch, but 2, it's going to allow you to progress quickly and get much better at the YouTube algorithm and increasing production and making your content better. The more videos you upload, the more you can look in your analytics and adjust things and make your content even better. So the more content you have, especially as a new YouTuber, the more it's going to help you in the long run increase your portfolio and also just help you learn skills much quickly as a creator that you wouldn't otherwise know as much about if you only uploaded like one video a month. So let's go into the 4th tip, and that one is analyzing keywords. I'll have a link down in the description to the tool I use to analyze keywords, but I use TubeBuddy. You can go to my link down below. I do get a small commission if you do use my link, so keep that in mind. But I've been using it for months now, and it's helped me find keywords that are very helpful. Like if I type in Fortnite, let's go with Fortnite version 12.40. Let's see how many people made videos related to the new update. So this is an update. Now it says it's very low, and it gives you a breakdown on why this is low. So there is a decent amount of volume on it. However, weighted, it says how good this keyword is, target your specific channel based on volume, competition, relevancy. So this tells me there's a lot of competition. It's in the red because it's poor. Optimization, this is the how well you present your title, tags, thumbnail, description, all those things that will help people find it and view it and click through and actually watch it. Let's add update here, I'm just curious. Fortnite version 12.40. So adding some words can help, and this might be a decent title for a video, like Fortnite version 12.40 update review. And there'll probably be a decent, so the more keywords you can add to something, the better. Although it has pretty low volume, there's no videos on this subject. And this means that I have a good chance of getting all the viewers to watch my video. I would rank really easily since there's a small portion of people that search it. There's no competition, basically. So that's just one example of how using keywords, using this tool called TubeBuddy can help, Keyword Explorer, and you can actually find topics and know before you even start making your content if a video title is a good one to do. Like Fortnite, let's see what just came out, Wolverine gameplay. So Wolverine is the new kind of guy, so he was just added to the game. So there is a lot of content around this. However, if I do gameplay season 4 chapter 2, sometimes that helps. That's the current chapter. This will didn't really help. There's just a lot of content around it right now. So but that's a tool that can help you find video content that is a good idea to make videos around. For the last and final tip, with tip number 5, I just have don't give up. Now, getting 4,000 watch hours will take a long time. It's not something that can just happen right away. You have to kind of stick to it, keep making content, keep progressing, getting better at making your videos so people are enjoying them more. And the more you do that, the more it will pay off. You'll finally get a big breakthrough. If I continue on my watch hour streak here of getting 460 watch hours a month, then in as little as 9 months I would be monetized. So just stick with it, guys. All of you have the potential to make it. Just keep doing your best and don't give up. I'm almost at 100 videos, and I'm growing exponentially over the time. Like if we look at, let's see, I started uploading in March, quite consistently. You'll see here I got like maybe an hour a day of watch time, But as I've kept uploading videos, it's gone to 3, 4, sometimes even 10. I had these big bumps. That's when I did live streams. Live streams can help a lot for watch time, by the way, because they're very long. But you'll see these small bumps, and it's just gotten progressively more and more. Now I'm consistently getting like 8, until recently I had a huge exposure on my Wolverine video. But yeah, that's all the tips I got for you today. I know that each of you guys can get this milestone. Just keep to it, keep uploading, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.